My name is Bruno, aka Jong Chef, and today we're gonna hit the skate parks and get some footy. But as you can see, it's fucking raining. But we're still gonna try and make it happen. So we'll see. And then we go into lift-off mode. Hello, Lucas.
What up?
Hey, I'm on the way.
You still coming?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Are you sure you're gonna want to try to fit in my car?
What?
My car is really, really small.
I mean, like, all I'm bringing with me is my board and my backpack. Is that what a lot you think?
Alright. I'll let you know when I'm there. It'll probably be like 15 minutes.
Alright, cool. I'll see you soon.
Alright.
A little slick.
That's what's really nice. This is at least sandiest thing. Look how slick that is.
I know. I was thinking like maybe I could rip off one of these palm branches and like switch it off a little bit. But we're just gonna work anyway.
If we die, we can. You ready to play skateboard?
Rochambeau.
Yes. Daddy's first. Right? I'm looking fucking dapper as fuck, right? And when I get there, there's like 3 people interviewing already. You know, she hands me the application. She's like, yeah, there's 3 people interviewing already. Here's an application. Just give it back when you're done. I'm like, oh fuck, all right. Everyone's already here, I guess. Everyone heard about this place. So I'm looking around at the people interviewing, and like they all look like trash. Like, I swear this dude was homeless, just walks in with the application. The other guy looked fucking cracked out. The girl looked kind of weird. So I'm here in a fucking suit and tie with my hair all did, looking good like a young, nice gentleman, 22 years old, got a green car, you know, going good. And I walked in there and I interviewed with her. She's like, you look really good. I'm like, thank you. And she was like, give me a pen. I'm like, I got my own pen already. She's like, okay, training is Friday. When could you be here? And that's the end of my story. It was that easy. So we are still selling cars, though, even though we're not. Bruno, Ernie Palmer Toyota, sales professional. Cell number right there. Work number, don't call the work number. Cell number right there. we still selling whips. Even if we don't work there, we're still selling whips. Give me a call sometime. Give me a call sometime, sir.
Yeah, I know you followed me on your fucking Toyota account. And then I'm pretty sure you unfollowed me on your regular one, asshole.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
No, you did.